Today we're diving into the world of online business platforms with a head-to-head comparison of Clickfunnels and System.io. Clickfunnels is an all-in-one marketing and sales platform designed to help entrepreneurs create and optimize sales funnels, while System.io offers similar features along with additional tools for email marketing and course creation. We'll explore 5 key variables: features, pricing structure, user experience, pros and cons, and alternative options.
Let's take a look at these tools' main features. Clickfunnels features include Sales Funnel Builder. ClickFunnels boasts a powerful drag-and-drop editor for creating sales funnels from scratch, complete with customizable templates and seamless integration with payment gateways. Automation. It offers robust automation features, enabling users to automate email sequences, follow-ups, and upsells to streamline the sales process. Membership sites. ClickFunnels allows users to build membership sites with ease, offering secure content delivery and membership management features. A/B testing. Users can conduct A/B tests to optimize funnel performance, testing different elements like headlines, images, and calls to action. System.io features include all-in-one platform. Similar to ClickFunnels, System.io provides a comprehensive suite of tools for building sales funnels, email marketing, affiliate management, and more. Affordable pricing. System.io offers competitive pricing plans, making it an attractive option for entrepreneurs on a budget. Email marketing. It includes built-in email marketing features such as automation workflows, list segmentation, and email templates, empowering users to nurture leads and engage with their audience. Online courses. System.io allows users to create and sell online courses, providing tools for course creation, content delivery, and student management.
In terms of pricing, Clickfunnels offers 3 main plans: standard at $97 per month, 2, Club X at $2,497 per month, catering to different business needs and budgets. On the other hand, System.io provides 3 plans as well: startup at $27 per month, webinar at $47 per month, and enterprise at $97 per month, with additional features and limits based on the plan chosen. While Clickfunnels may seem pricier, its extensive features and established reputation may justify the investment for some users. Clickfunnels prioritizes user-friendly interface and intuitive design, making it easy for users to create and manage their funnels. However, some users may find the learning curve steep, especially when leveraging advanced features like automation and A/B testing. System.io, on the other hand, offers a more straightforward and beginner-friendly approach, with similar navigation and setup processes. However, its interface may lack the polish and refinement of Clickfunnels. In summary, Clickfunnels excels in its robust feature set, particularly in sales funnel building, automation, and A/B testing. However, its higher price point and steeper learning curve may be deterrents for some users. On the flip side, System.io offers competitive pricing and more user-friendly experience, making it an excellent choice for beginners or those on a budget. Yet, its feature set may not be as extensive or polished as Clickfunnels.
Looking beyond ClickFunnels and System.io, alternative options include platforms like Builderall, Kartra, and Leadpages. Each of these platforms offers its unique set of features and pricing structures, catering to different business needs and preferences. Whether you prioritize flexibility, affordability, or specific features, exploring these alternatives can help you find the perfect fit for your online business needs.
So which platform reigns supreme? Well, it depends on your specific requirements and preferences. If you value extensive features and are willing to invest in a more established platform, well, Clickfunnels might be the way to go. However, if you're just starting and prefer a more budget-friendly and user-friendly option, System.io could be your best bet. Whichever you choose, don't forget to sign up using the links in the description below. And remember to subscribe to EasyInternet for more insightful comparisons and tips. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you in the next one.